Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this GeoTools video, I'm going to talk about the conversion tools. The conversion tools is the second category of tools you find from the top in the pull-down menu. The conversion tools section in GeoTools allows you to convert data from one format to another. Blocks, text, points and circles can be interchangeably converted, a common requirement that is often encountered in civil drawings, and we have a good solution for this here. We also have tools to transfer contour elevation from text into adjoining contour polylines, and there are multiple ways to do it. The Assign Properties tool allows you to acquire elevation data from neighboring text and assign them to nearby polylines or points or blocks. You can also easily convert splines to polylines in multiple ways. So go try GeoTools, download a trial copy today and try the conversion tools. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you for watching this video.